Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. Today it's about installing lock extensions on this client. His hair was really short and he came up with the idea of having his parts in triangle shapes, which is a first time thing for me. It was challenging at the beginning. I told him, oh my god, I think we have to do it the normal square shape. And he's like, no, I've seen someone done it before. I was really confused about the shape because it was my first time. And I said, you know what, let's do it. And I started to part. So I parted his hair into, I think about 59 pieces. He had 60 locks. I thought I had gauged the amount of locks, but we ended up having an extra lock. Well, first I start off with getting the lock extension, fluffing out the loose hair so I can easily attach it to his own natural hair. So I went on with this crochet hook, the 2-point crochet hook. What you see me doing right here is tucking in hair from outside of the lock into the lock to make the lock firm and steady so it does not fall off or pull off. So what you do is, while you're pulling the hair in, while you're tucking in the hair, you're rolling your locks left and right so you can tuck the hair in properly, the loose hair in properly from all around the lock. Here you do this until you see there are no hairs around and you're sure that the lock is firm. Here at this point you can see I'm on the last lock. I'm trying to attach it the same way I've showed before, pulling hair from outside the lock into the lock and continuing to crochet until I see that there are no loose hairs around and I'm sure that the lock is firm enough. After this was done, I went on to style with my gel, and the gel I use is the Shine and Jam gel. Like I said before, it hasn't given me any problem, anything to worry about, so that's why I keep using it. I use it to style locks for my client also. So you would see the styling at the end of the video. Guys, if you have intentions of learning how to install dreadlocks, you need to have patience. It takes time, it takes calmness, it takes motivation. You must be patient and love doing it. You see the final result. So I went ahead to apply my homemade hair oil that I use for my clients and myself too, and massaged it into his scalp, and the hair was given. It was pretty. Final result was a bomb. Like, are you kidding? Check this out. Look. He was happy and I was happy too. Thank you all so much for watching and stay tuned for my next tutorial. Thank you. Bye.